Stop right there.
Oh no, what's happening?
Only in a dress.
What should I do? I really wanted to go to the party, but I don't have a dress.
I have an idea. Use this. Cool.
In this dress, I will be the most beautiful girl at the party.
You can come in now.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Oh no!
I don't wanna work it out now. I just wanna play around, now. I wanna be a kitty. I wanna be a kitty. I wanna be a kitty, 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 kitty. I don't wanna work it out now. I just wanna play around, now. I wanna be a kitty. I wanna be a kitty. I wanna be a kitty. I can't stop thinking about you. I can't stop thinking about you. I can't stop thinking about you. I can't stop thinking. I can't stop thinking about you.
Sure, Rose, I'd love to.
Win the race in your dreams. The fruit cup is mine.
A lively spirit of competition is encouraged. Wait, someone's missing. Someone please tell Daffodil what she missed. See you at the pond. Oh, Daff, you've been chosen to be in the Royal Ice Sailing Race.
How nice. Is it today?
Yes, it's right now, and you're going to need an assistant, and I'm available if you want, so let's discuss how you'll... Mama Duck painted me this map of the pond. If we study this carefully, we can figure out the quickest way to sail around the racetrack.
A map? Is that, fair to the others?
There's no rule saying you can't look at a map. Besides, I don't want to lose again. I've raced the past 5 years and never took home the fruit cup. Oh, my map! It's blowing away! Help me, Cap!
Oh, interesting. Rose and Cap are doing warm-up exercises on the ice. Moss, as your humble assistant, I suggest that we do the same. And reach and stretch.
No, thank you, Guillaume. I've got a better idea. This moss will make our ice boat the fastest in the race.
Wonderful! Marvelous! I hope it's allowed!
There's no rule that says you can't fix up your boat. It's my first fruit cup, and I'm gonna win.
It's a good-looking ice boat, Spearmint, but I don't have a clue how to make it work. It can't be too difficult. I mean, after all, going fast is what we do.
Are you curious to pull this rope to see what it does?
Nope, I figure I'll learn as I go.
Oh, good plan.
Hi, Zinnia, Spearmint. Is everything okay?
We're just testing a few things, but we're still planning to win.
You are? I haven't even thought about that. Well, good luck.
Daff, where have you been? I want to teach you how to sail the ice boat.
Sorry, Lilac. I had to do a little quick knitting.
Ta-da! A flag? That would just slow you down. You might lose the race.
But it's so pretty.
Oh, nice flag. But aren't you worried it'll slow you down?
No chipmunk tracks, no traces of fur. No whiff of mischief. All clear, Bucky. Bring in the cup. It's a thing of beauty, isn't it?
Your best ever. But aren't you worried about leaving it here? Ellery could come and eat up all your hard work.
Oh, no. We're not going to leave it here. It's going there, in the middle of the pond, where everyone will be able to see it and keep an eye on it. It's the safest spot in the whole park. Onto the ice, Bucky.
Thorn, when will you learn? There is no place in this park that my chipmunk paws cannot reach, especially when there's fresh fruit involved. But how to get onto the ice without being seen?
It is my pleasure to welcome Prince Norbert and Princess Olivia to the Royal Ice Sailing Race. And now, if Prince Norbert will do the honor of starting the race by croak, as is the custom.
Remember, darling, just like we practiced, you don't want to frighten the ducklings.
Yes, my love. My croak shall be powerful but friendly.
Hold on, Your Highness. A racer is missing. Lilac, where's Daffodil?
I don't know.
Not sure how long I can hold this croak.
Sorry. Oh, I went to get us some pumpkin seed energy bars.
Oh, quickly, dear, into your boat.
Good luck, everyone.
On your marks, get set.
What are those rocks doing there? They weren't on my map.
Rose, watch where you're going.
I wish I could.
Woohoo! I'm gonna win.
This is the most exciting ice race ever.
And it's only just begun.
Zinnia, wrong way.
Oh, now what's happening? Oh.
I don't know how to turn it around.
Daffodil, what are you doing?
I'm making patterns on the ice. A flower.
Oh, there's no time for flowers. Huh? Wait, why don't you make one big flower over there?
Ooh, that sounds fun. Here I go.
This is almost too easy. Everyone's watching the race, which means no one's watching the fruit. I really am a lucky chipmunk.
Come on, Bucky. Don't dawdle.
Sorry, Chef Thorn. I don't want to miss the race.
We'll be back in plenty of time to see the winner. I just wanted to check on my fruit cup. Looking good. Not even a berry missing.
See? It's like there's an invisible fence around it and Ellery can't get inside. Now can we go?
That's genius. A fence. Let's see that chipmunk try to get through these thorny brambles. Come on, Bucky. We have a race to watch.
Thorn, must you take the fun out of everything?
Hi, Mr. Ellery. Who are you talking to?
No one. Not important. Run along.
But you said something about having fun. We like fun.
Love fun? Yeah.
Small ducks, I am in the middle of a very important job which involves getting through those thorny brambles and moving that fruit trophy into this hollow log to take it somewhere else. So I can't talk right now.
Mr. Ellery, wanna play catch? I wanna play.
The final stretch, my darling. Who do you think is going to win?
It's anyone's race, my dearest. Rose and Moss are neck and neck. Zinnia is right behind them. And there's Daffodil way behind. It's thrilling.
Spearmint, this rope is loose. Should I pull it?
Yes! No! I don't know which to choose!
It's okay. I'm gonna go for it. Definitely not my kind of ride.
Moss! You're losing your moss!
Rose, you're going to win!
Jeff, you got this!
Wonderful! Yes!
Ah, the last piece. You and your brother and sister can run along now while I transport this log to... Empty? Where's all the fruit?
You said you had to move it, so we got some help. Well, Carson was throwing you the fruit, and you were throwing it into the log. Claudette and I were taking it back out and giving it to Mr. Thorne.
Don't look so shocked, Ellery. You might say, a little bird told me.
Daffodil, your joyful spirits taught us all a lesson today. The way to win at anything is to stay true to yourself. And have a good time doing it too.
Congratulations, Dad! Thank you, Prince Norbert. And thank you all. I had no idea how much fun it would be to compete in a race alongside my friends. And I get to win this amazing prize too.
And there's a surprise inside.
It's yummy frosty fruit ice cream. Everyone, have some. You all have to try it.